Good morning, children. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to change kilometers into meter. I told you last time that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 meter. Now, if you have to change 4 kilometer, 500 meter into meter, then how you will do it? We are going to do today, and I will explain it to you with the help of my computer. I will solve it on my computer and explain it simultaneously. Come, let's start doing that. Before we start learning how to change kilometer to meter, we are going to learn how to multiply numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. And children, I am going to teach you a shortcut method to do this. Okay. Now, 4 into 1. Everybody knows 4 ones is 4. Okay. 4 into 10. I'm sure all of you know 4 tens is 40. 4 into 100. Many of you know the table of 100 also. 4 into 100 is 400. Now children, see carefully. In these two, what you have to do, you have to multiply 4 by 1. 4 ones is 4, and in 10 there is 1 0, so 1 0 will come at the back and 4 tens will be 40. In this 4 ones are 4. In 100 there are 2 zeros, so 2 zeros will come at the back. So 4 into 100 is 400. Okay, similarly 4 into 1000. Now again 4 ones is 4. There are 3 zeros in 1000, so 3 zeros will come at the back. So 4 into 1000 is 4000. Now similarly 12 into 1. 12 ones are 12. Now all of you know the table of 1. So 12 ones is 12. Some of you may know the table of 12 also. So everybody knows that 12 ones is 12. Okay. 12 into 10. 12 tens is 120. Now how we have done? We multiplied 12 by 1. 12 ones is 12. And since 10 has 1 0, so 1 0 has come at the back. 12 tens is 120. Now 12 into 100. Again, children, we will use the same trick. 12 ones are 12, and in 100 there are 2 zeros at the back. So 2 zeros will come here. So the answer of 12 into 100 is 1200. Okay. Now similarly, if we take more examples like this, 23 into 10. Now 23 ones is 23, and 1 0 will come at the back. So 23 tens is 230. 47 into 100. Same trick. 47 ones are 47, and 2 zeros will come at the back. So the answer will be 4000 700. 53 into 1000. Now 53 ones is 53 and 3 zeros will come at the back. Now this is quite a big number and this we will read like this: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. So this number is read as 53,000. So 53 into 1000 is 53,000. Now children, all of you know the table of 10. It is very easy. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90 and 10 tens are 100. Now if you want to learn the table of 100, just put a 0 at the back and you will get the table of 100. See how. 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, 100 threes are 300, 100 fours are 400, 100 fives are 500, 100 sixes are 600, 100 sevens are 700, 100 eights are 800, 100 nines are 900 and 100 tens are 1000. Now you know the table of 100 also. So the table of 1000 is very easy, beta. You just put a 0 at the back of the table of 100 and you will get the table of 1000. Okay, let us see. 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000, 1000 threes are 3000, 1000 fours are 4000, 1000 fives are 5000, 1000 sixes are 6000, 1000 sevens are 7000, 1000 eights are 8000, 1000 nines are 9000 and 1000 tens are 10,000. Now children, I am going to teach you how to change kilometers into meters. Kilometer is the unit for measuring very long distances. For example, the distance between two cities, the distance between one place in a city to the other place in that same city. So kilometer is the unit for generally measuring the distance between two places which are far apart. Okay, let's start that. Changing kilometer to meter. Okay, now children, I told you that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Km is the short form for kilometer and m is the short form for meters. Okay, so 1000 meter will make 1 kilometer. Now 2000 meter will make 2 kilometer. Very obvious. Because in 2 kilometer there are 1000 plus 1000. So 2000 meters. Okay. 9000 meters are 9 kilometer. Now children, suppose the distance between my house and the school is 5 kilometer and 500 meters. Now it means the distance from my house to school is more than 5 kilometer but less than 6 kilometer. It is 5 kilometer 500 meter. Now I want to find out what is the distance of the school in meters from my house? Now 5 kilometer is 5,000 meters, and this 500 meter is extra. So I will add 500 meter to 5,000. And okay, let me first show you how to add 500 to 5,000. This is how we make the sum, children. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5. So the answer is 5,500 meter. So my house is 5,500 meter away from the school. Now, suppose my friend's house is 7 kilometer and 965 meter from my house. I want to find out how far is my friend's house in meters. So first of all, I will change 7 kilometer into meter. So 7 kilometer is 7,000 meter, and 965 meters are also there. So I'm going to add 965 to 7,000. So the answer will be 7,965 meter. How I did it? I will show it to you. I wrote down 7,000 and then I wrote down 965 and I added it. Now we start from ones place. 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 6 is 6, 0 plus 9 is 9, 7 will come here. So this is 7,965 meters. Okay, now I have to teach you the trick. Now children, please see here. Here it is 5 kilometer, 500 meter. So we have taken 5 and 500 and the answer is 5,500 meter. This 5 is here and this 500 is here. This is the 500. Now this 7 is here and this 965 is here. So it has become 7,965 meter. Okay, just I will not rub this and I will use this trick to find out how many meters are there in 3 kilometer 562 meter. Okay. Now 3 I will take from here and 562 I will take from here. So I will get 3,562 meter. Yes, children, it is so easy. This trick is so easy. Let us do a few more sums. Now 2 kilometer 814 meter. I want to change this distance. Beta, these are not two distances. It is a single distance. It may be the distance of my house from the market. This is a single distance. So 2 I will take from here, 814 I will take from here and I will write 2,814 meters. So 2 kilometer 814 meter is equal to 2,814 meter. Okay. Now children, I will show you another example. 6 kilometer 45 meter. Now children, 6 kilometer is 6,000 meter. So I will write 6,000 here and I have to add 45 meter in this the way we did here and here when I was explaining to you. So I will add 45 to this. I will get 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 and 6. So the answer is 6,045 meter. Now children, what mistake many children make? They will take 6 from here and 45 from here and they will write down 645 meter, which is absolutely wrong. This is wrong. Why it is wrong? How can 6 kilometer have only 645 meter, beta? How is it possible? Because in 6 kilometer there are 6,000 meters. So 6 kilometer and 45 meter will be 6,045 meter. I will show a few more examples like this to you. 8 kilometer, 15 meter. Now 8 kilometer is 8,000 meters and this 15 meter is extra, so I will add 15 to 8,000. So it will be 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 and 8. So the answer is 8,015 meter. Now let us see 5 kilometer, 45 meter. So 5 kilometer makes 5,000 meters and I have to add 45 in it. Okay, let me add 45 to this. So this will be 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 and 5. So the number of meters in 5 kilometer 45 meter is 5,045 meter. Okay, suppose the distance between a place A to place B is 9 kilometer and 5 meter. So 9 kilometer means 9,000 meter and to 9,000 I have to add only 5. So the answer would be 0 plus 5 is 5, 0, 0, 9. So the answer would be 9,005 meters. One more example. Suppose the distance between place X and Y is 12 kilometers and 45 meters. Now, remember, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter, 2 kilometer is 2,000 meter, 9 kilometer is 9,000 meter, and 12 kilometer is 12,000 meters. So, in 12,000, we have to add this 45. We will add 45 to it. Now we will get 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 will come here, 2 will come here and 1 will come here. Now very carefully we will copy this here. We will not make a mistake. So the answer of this is 12,045 meter. Okay children, I hope you would have understood the trick as well as the long method. That's all for today. Please practice and become perfect. Thank you and have a nice day.